My gate checked every word of that reply. Then n8n added 69 bytes after it passed. 2 boxes. The model reads a message, sorts it, and writes a reply. Then plain code decides whether a byte leaves this machine and who it goes to. That choice is never the model's. Scope first. The trigger is pointed at one Gmail label, and everything else in that account is invisible to it. Not by policy, by scope. And every message you are about to see was written by me and appended to my own mailbox. One node first. n8n's IMAP trigger. Then the sentence this build hangs on. It only ever sees mail that arrives while it is listening. There is no first fetch, so it goes on the wire before the corpus exists. 17 messages appended into that label from the terminal, live. The item badge reads 1. So why 1 and not 17? There is a checkbox called Fetch Only New Emails, on by default. With it on, the trigger adds a condition to its own search that nobody asked for. Only messages since today. Whenever the node's version is above 2, and mine is. 16 of those 17 carry arrival dates I backdated on purpose, so the server returned nothing for them. The one dated today is the one that came back. The empty result was never empty. It was exactly right for a question I did not mean to ask. 2 things fix it. Turn the option off, then clear the workflow's stored state, because the failed run left a watermark, and on the next, listen that hides the same 16 for a different reason. Append one more message to wake it, and the whole box comes back. 18 items from 18 appended. Now the gate. 18 lines typed on camera and no model in it. 8 named rules, each one a yes or no question. Is every fact in this reply actually in the knowledge file? Is that fact allowed to leave the building? Some lines in there are true, correct, and unshippable. Is there a number here that is not in the source? And separately, did it cite anything at all? A reply that cites nothing usually did not parse, and a parse failure is not a fabrication. 2 of the rules are defense in depth and will read 0. They stay for the day something upstream changes. That last rule went in broken, and I knew it. Its number check reads any digit as a figure, so a version string or a date in a reply would have stopped a draft that was fine. This batch, it stopped nothing. Every draft that cited a numbered fact cited the sentence that carries it, so the broken check had nothing to bite. 3 string replaces went in anyway. Cheap now, a retake later. 1 real message now from my own account with the mode switched to live. The reply lands back, and the guard, while that runs. In dry mode, the node ahead of the send returns an empty list. Not send somewhere harmless. The send node does not execute. 1 node here can put mail on the wire, and it is the last one. 2 things went wrong that nobody planned. The first has been sitting in sent mail since last episode. The first real email this channel sent. Its body passed a gate I was proud of. By the time it left, it carried a tracked link with a campaign parameter. Not the model, not me. Added by the transport, after the check. The second is my own gate, and this take, it gave me nothing to forgive. Every block was a rule doing its job, checked by hand. When the honest number is 0, you say 0. And then the one I built. There is a pricing question in that corpus the knowledge file has no answer to, because I wrote it that way. A trap for an invented figure. This run, the model did not take the bait. It answered that pricing is discussed on the scoping call, which is the knowledge file's own line, and the draft passed. The trap stays in the corpus. A gate you only trust when it catches something is not a gate. Now check what actually landed. Read the message back out of sent mail and diff it against the body the gate approved. 69 bytes the gate never saw. This send node is pinned to plain text, so the addition is a plain block ending in a bare link. Same feature on last episode's HTML node. 312 bytes. A tracked anchor with a campaign parameter. One feature, two formats, neither of them in the body that passed. Your gate covers the draft, not the last mile. The numbers, all off one file. 18 appended, 18 fetched. 4 were bulk or no reply and stopped before a model call, so they cost nothing. 6 drafts written, 6 cleared the gate, 0 did not. 8 rule rows, counts only. 37 model calls, read off the billing headers the AP I returned. And the pass I do not skip came back empty. No near misses to adjudicate. The ceiling of the design. One corpus message is a cold pitch dressed as a warm referral. The classifier read it right this time, and the category rule stopped it. That is judgment, not proof. Intent is not something you can check in code. So the digest ends with what this gate cannot verify. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.